What is up, YouTube? Today, I'm gonna
It's a grenade launcher killing people with grenades because he thinks he's funny for this killing.
I need you to do something. You need to do something. Alright?
Okay, bro, just don't worry about that.
No, drop it, you toad.
Yo, don't grab it.
I need it. I'm doing a glitch.
I got the goop.
Oh my god, let's go to private server. We have to go.
Oh, no, follow me. I got this.
I will be trolling kids in Animal Company. Again. Oh, that was on accident. That was on accident, bro.
Like I said, it's not really the same kind of suit. It's not really the same kind of suit that
That was on accident, bro.
Krabs is a
Brother, that was on accident, bro.
Mr. Krabs.
Oh my god, brother, let me buy good stuff. Oh my god, brother. Let me buy good stuff, brother. No. Chill. That was an accident, bro. Chill. You chill, bro.
I can kick my...
Oh, my bad.
No, that's cringy. How do I can report myself? I can report myself. I reported myself.
It's crazy that you can report yourself. That's crazy.
Hi.
Wait.
Come on, crash out. Come on, crash
I
out.
reported myself for being myself.
I just tried to report myself. It doesn't work.
I reported myself for being
Sadie.
Llama, red pajama.
Stop.
I muted myself. Wait.
Stop.
Do you need help?
Get out with your goofy up.
No, you don't.
Llama,
Yeah,
red
I
pajama.
muted myself. Yeah, we're out.
Bobby Beach old ass.
I'm trying to do something. Anyways.
Shut up, bro. No one cares about you. Oh yeah, well, no one cares about you.
Hey, don't steal my stuff.
Oh, that was an accident. No, that was an accident.
I will sell you this revolver. I got this.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your
I'm
hands.
going to use this revolver.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Shut up, bro. Shut up.
Oh, my bad, Arian, my bad.
And you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Slap your butt cheeks.
Okay, bro. Stop being weird. Yeah.
Why did you kill
This
me?
game is bullshit
Because
and
you're
I hate
stupid.
that place.
Guys, I'm here
Yo.
for no war. I'm just
Oh, damn it.
What was
did a
that?
federal crime. He killed a newborn child.
Where the...
Wait,
What the fuck?
why am I here? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Shut up, bro. No one cares about you.
He's bullying me because I'm British. Leave him alone. Leave that guy alone.
Damn it, I'm not holding this correctly.
God damn it, mate.
Wow, like
Bro, kill me.
Yo, what song are you listening to?
That's so going on, mate. Oh shit, my VR.
God, pizza, pizza.
What song are you listening to right now?
Like, I based off a meme. Do you not know that one
No,
meme that
calm
made
down,
cat?
bro. I'm just trying to chill, bro. I'm chill. I'm just a chill guy. I'm just a chill guy.
You both slow.
I'm just a chill guy.
I hate their fuses of boxes. They're so nice.
Yo, I'm just a chill guy, bro. Yo.
Kill somebody else.
Calm down.
Wow,
I'm just a chill guy.
What did I just say? I'm trying to kill somebody.
Yo.
Did you want
I'm
that?
just a chill guy.
80.
Who's hitting me?
I'm trying to
You
kill
box
somebody
guy
and
is
it's like,
hitting.
I'm just a chill guy.
Does it actually one-shot people? Oh, it does.
I'm just a chill guy, bro.
Stop swearing.
Now I'm gonna
R.I.P. to you.
kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you.
Bro, I'm gonna kill you. Okay, bro, what?
I'll pick pop. Yo, bro, stay away! I'll get my chainsaw on you.
Is he hitting me?
You pop!
What the hell? Bro, what
This
is
is my normal weapon. This is my usual.
What the? What? How did I just kill myself? Yo. Yo, bro, I'm just a chill guy. Bro, I'm just a chill guy, bro.
Where's your laptop? Cause it's time to go beast mode. Okay, no, I want to.
Yo, I'm just a chill guy. Okay, how did I? Bro, ain't no way I just killed myself again, bro.
Got him. Got him. Ow.
Yo, I'm
I'm trying to buy something. Will you give me a second?
You're racist. No, you're not racist. You're just mean.
I go into that. I'm trying to buy something. Like, hello?
Bro, I'm just a chill guy.
No, you're dead.
I'm just.
Welcome to the other. Welcome to hell.
How am I racist?
Bomba clad.
And then run away whenever he's desperate. He guns.
Stop trying to
That's
kill me.
all.
I'm just trying to
Okay,
play my super ukulele.
Everyone go to the end of the. Is there anyone willing enough for me to test my weapon?
Is this my super ukulele? My super
Everyone
ukulele.
go to the end of the hangar, but do not kill.
Bomba clad.
I'm gonna say something very
We're gonna play a game of teams.
It's not very nice to you, Mr.
End of the hangar, we're gonna play teams.
Alright, let's get it going, my baby.
There can only be one. I'm joking. Okay, what did he just say?
Can I come in?
No, I'm not gonna revive you. You tried killing my friend. I'm not gonna revive you.
Get ahead of my friends instead of shooting them and expecting me to revive. Get rid of him, guys.
I love you when you're singing that song. I got love in my throat.
I'm done with this game.
Good.
Who are you?
I'm out of here, bro.
Oh, that guy.
Hey, dude, you need help? Because I have a dropper.
Why did you kill me? Why did you kill me? Who did that?
Oh. I'm gonna hide behind you, okay?
I'm a team with Steve because he has good aim.
Hey, Pink Pug, no hard feelings.
I'm a sponsor with a good event.
How did I just die?
I see my
Oh, yo, I'm big, bro.
You did. But then.
I have your dad, you stupid.
Shut up, bro. No one cares.
That's it, son of a bitch.
I stole it. This is the
Hey, what's that guy? What was that guy's face?
When you see me whispering near you, that's because I'm a chill guy.
Yo, I'm just a chill guy. Ha, you just dead.
Oh, shut the fuck up, bro. Like I know what you gonna do.
How far is the range? It's like Blue Wool, if I stand back here, like try to blow me with the like fan. That sounded weird. Man, try to like blow the air on me with your like your fan. I'm standing kind of far away. I want to see if it like still hits me from it.
What do you expect me to do? Sit there and let you murder me?
Get banned anyways. I'm gonna get banned anyways.
Swipe! No. Hello. I'm here to talk about your car insurance. I'm here to talk about your car insurance. You haven't paid the bill. You haven't paid your bill or your car insurance. Your car insurance.
Maybe it was OPD.
You haven't paid the bill. You have not paid the bill.
I actually have, buddy.
No, I'm stuck. You have not paid the bill. You haven't paid the bill. Pay your bill, Mr. Wolf. Pay your. He hasn't paid his car bill. Pay his taxes. Pay your taxes. Taxes. You pay. You haven't paid your bill, sir.
Okay.
You haven't paid. What the?
Don't worry, dude. Nobody's near you. If you respawn, you'll be fine. Bro, you can't just jump. You can't just jump. It's free. It's free.
Haha.
Please don't.
I'm gonna kill you.
I just need to stay away from you.
I'll never be the
I'm not gonna try to steal it from you. I'm not an idiot.
Bro, I'm trying to revive you, dumb guy. Bro,
Dude, go on the other side of my body. Go on the other side. If you go on the other side, it's better. Thank you.
Where my gun? Where my gun?
Oh, okay, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Chill. Not moving.
Remember to pay your taxes.
Come and follow me. You have your carrot ass out my face. I don't give a shit.
Oh, that's crazy.
You get your fucking. Someone stole the Bluetooth speakers. The most powerful weapon in the game.
Got it. Yeah. Dude, that's my goo bag.
Yeah, I'd say it's not gonna lie. It has like
could
the
revive
same
you, I
range
would.
as like a lance, so it's honestly more of like a melee weapon. So
No, dude, I earned the goo bag. It's mine. Dude, it's my goo bag.
goop.
Fine, you can have
I mean, the baseball bat. The
Oh,
baseball
why
bat.
is he spinning?
For like baseball bat. And then for the boomerang, it's 3 shots in the body, but then like 2 shot, or maybe still 3 shots on head. Oh, like the next three boomerangs. So it's a 1-tap kill. I've done it before with 4 boomerangs, and I won.